I primed my eyes and also cleaned under my brows using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Creamy Beige. So you guys make sure you check the description box below so you guys will know all the products that I use to create this eye look, as well as all the other products that I use to create the final look. So now I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I absolutely love this palette. I used this palette all last weekend, Labor Day weekend, to create all my looks when I went out for my birthday. And this look that you guys are going to see, I created this past Saturday. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to use the shade Weekender. Weekender is like a beige shade. So I'm going to use that just to set like right here. This will be my transition shade and also to help me blend out the other shades so they won't be so harsh. So now I'm going to go in with the shade Hell Ride. It's kind of a burgundy shade. I'm going to put this shade in my crease area right about here. Not exactly on top of the other shade either. So I'm not going to go over. I'm just going to go right here where my bone is at with that Hell Ride shade. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the shade Punk. It's like a dark brown shade. And I'm going to put that in my crease area just to darken up my crease more so I can get ready to cut it. So now I'm going to go back in with the Weekender shade just to blend out these shades up here so they won't look too harsh. So what I'm going to use to cut my crease is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Almond. The reason why I use this is because for some reason, out of all the LA Girl Pro Concealers that I have, this one seems to be the thickest. Fawn is also like this, but Fawn is a little bit more like, it's not liquidy, but it moves. Almond has not, for some reason, I don't know if it's like a bad tube or something, or maybe this shade is actually like that. I don't know. But the consistency is thick and it really helps me to cut my crease. I'm also going to use my You Spicy large flat brush. Usually I use a smaller brush. Everybody does say to use a smaller brush to help you cut the crease. But when I used this past weekend to create this look, it really helped to cut my crease the way I actually want it. So I'll be using this instead. Alright, so something that I forgot to mention is that when you have hooded eyes, which I do, they're not really hooded, but I do have hooded eyes, so it is difficult for me to cut my crease. You have to go a little bit over your actual crease in order to do a cut crease. So that's exactly what I'm doing. The shade that I'm going to apply up until like half of my lid is the shade Smog. And I'm just patting it on top of this concealer. I am not swiping it or anything, just applying it on top of the concealer. And the other shade that I'm going to use for the rest of my eye is the shade Stranded. Alright, so now I will be applying my eyeliner. I am going to use tape to make sure I get my wing the way that I want it. When it comes to cut crease, you don't always have to do a liner. I just really like to do eyeliner sometimes. So where I'm gonna place the tape is right here. So my wing is gonna go right here as usual. So now I'm probably gonna switch in between liners because these are liquid eyeliners. There's still product in here, but for some reason sometimes they do not want to come out. So of course my usual, the L'Oreal, the Super Slim liquid eyeliner, and then I'm gonna also more than likely use my Avon Precise liquid eyeliner, both in black. So again, if you don't remember, the tape is usually to help me get the wing that I want to get. Sometimes I can get it without, sometimes I can't. But either way, it still comes out with a bomb wing. So and I am doing a thick wing because this is how I originally created the look, and I did like that it came out. I did like the way that it came out. So this is going to be a thick wing. It's about the same. You guys know I tend to struggle trying to get my eyeliner the same, even on both eyes, so my eyeliner is all acting up. So now I'm going to apply mascara to my top lashes right now. I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Mascara in the shade Black. So again, I'm just going to apply this to my top lashes right now. So the lashes that I'll be using today are from Lilly, and these lashes are in a fancy. I had cleaned them, so they look a tad bit different than when I got them the first time. But check the description box below. I do have a promo code for you guys to use if you decide to buy lashes from Lilly. All their information will be down below. I'll put my code right here as well. So these are the lashes that I'm going to be using today for this look. So I'm going to go ahead and let my lashes dry. I'm going to go ahead and do everything else off camera, but I will come back on camera to finish up my eyes because I still have to do my bottom lashes and all that stuff. So I forgot to come back on here and finish up my eyes. But all I did on my bottom lash line was add that shade Hell Ride, which is a burgundy shade. So once again, make sure you guys check the description box below to check out all the products that I use to create my whole face. Once again, I did use the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, so look out for the review. I will be doing a review on this palette very soon. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys love this look. Give this video a thumbs up if you do. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you are not, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from me. Make sure you guys let me know down in the comments what video you would like to see next or what videos you would like to see more, and I'll be sure to try my best to get them out for you guys. That's about it. I will see you guys in my next video.